Have you ever been tired of seeing the way things are? Well, that was me a few days ago. I got tired of being on social media. I started to count the numbers and got tired of seeing little progress. I got tired of seeing disorganized places, and as a result, I was frustrated. I needed to take the break that I was avoiding because I thought that if I take a break, I'll slow down and become more frustrated. But I needed it, and that's when I made a decision to check on myself. I needed to reevaluate and reprioritize my goals, making sure that I don't lose sight of why I'm doing what I'm doing. Because there was a time when I just lost momentum and needed to take the time to reflect on my life. So the journey to gain momentum began, but first, a glass of water. Hey guys, it's Njeri here. This paper bag has so many CDs which I need to sort, as well as other CDs there, as you can see. So, I have a busy day today. I'm finally done sorting out the CDs, and guys, I think I've done a great job. Just look at them. They're so organized. I know where every CD is, and that's amazing. So now I'm wiping this CD rack because it's so dusty, and we've always had it, but for some reason we've just never used it. Yeah. So I'll put the CDs and DVDs that can fit on this rack. You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die.
can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Only you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I'm so happy today because I did what I intended to do during the week, and now I have this day to relax. Guys, as you can see, I'm just seated outside watching a series I enjoy, and yo, you know, after working, you need to give yourself some time off just to relax, okay? So don't forget that. Don't forget.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away.